Look at the wonderful weather we're having today. What's going on, guys? And the video you guys are about to see, like the clips and everything, were from about a week ago, but it just happened to be snowing again and I forgot to record an intro. But I'm really thinking about just taking this car back out again, honestly. I mean, it'd be fun. You can barely even tell that we shoveled already. I mean, if you can, but we've probably gotten at least 6 inches in the matter of a couple hours. I think it started snowing this morning and it's only like noon. Well, it's probably a little later, but. We got the wonderful lady right there taking some shots. It looks a lot better in her camera for sure than this, but didn't want to get in your shot. But we're about to take it out on the streets because we gotta have a round too. You gotta take it out. We'll see how this goes.
Don't stop. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Fine.
The bumper stay on?
Yeah.
And it didn't pop off?
No.
What was that?
I don't want to know because you just were on that. Let him hit me. Yeah, make for a good video.
Scariest part is not only because it's so low, but that I'm also plowing snow, but scraping on everything because I can't see what's under it, and I scrape even like on like the middle hump of the road. So like it's like I'm scraping but also plowing, so it's kind of sweet. But
oh yeah, they're spinning tires, so good luck.
I'll plow for him.
Watch those things that stick out.
How would you rate the experience in the stance plow? 2 out of 10? Alright. Well, we're gonna put this thing back away because the roads are kind of bad and I don't want to go too far from home and get stuck. So we're gonna load this back in the garage. Say we got a little bit of snow. It's about 30 times more than it did. seems to be we got a little bit of a coolant leak, which I've already known about, but just add some color to the snow. I already knew that. It's one of the hoses are broken. I need to replace it, and I've just been too lazy because it's been such like a small leak where I haven't really cared to fix it. But I should this winter. I probably should get on it instead of having fun with it. But having fun's the better way to go. You know what I mean? This car, for as much as I abuse it, can't believe how well it handles in slush, and that's like the best part right there. It's like kind of plowed, but like I don't know if you guys are gonna see from other snippets. I haven't really seen, my girl was recording everything, so if she missed stuff, it's on her. But this car literally doesn't get stuck. I took it to the gas station, they didn't even plow, and it did phenomenal. So I'm proud of this car, you know what I mean? A little Chevy Cruze, I mean, it's made to be like an all-season car, but not when it's like this. It's not. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video. If you guys want to see more snow content, I might try and like spice it up, do something different. Or if I ever get to bag the Genesis this winter, which I should, take that thing out and slide it around. That should be fun. Or if you guys just want to see me take it out to a parking lot by itself, I mean, I don't know, I feel like that's kind of original though, because like, then you can go to any parking lot. I just figured it'd be cool to see how well this car did in the snow. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one.